Hello perfume sniffers, welcome back to Heart Knots. Today we're gonna do a second impression for Juliette Hasegan Discovery Set right here. Hi, sorry I'm late. Did you start the video without me? As I said, we're gonna do a second impression for this because someone deleted the footage. How dare you? Just click like and subscribe so you can finally start the video. As I said, this is a reshoot and we're gonna go over the 12 scents or fragrances from the Juliette Hasegan Discovery Set, which I already unboxed. I will insert some clips after this when I try to open the package. So it has Not a Perfume, that's the second scent. The third scent is Anyway, Miss Charming, Gentlewoman, Moscow Mule, Lady Vengeance, Another Oud, Citizen Queen, Midnight Oud, Vanilla Vibes, and Sunny Side Up. So if you're wondering, if you haven't heard of the brand before, Juliette Hasegan is launched in 2006 by Romano Rizzi, and I'm pretty sure I'm mispronouncing his last name. So I'm gonna give you a bit of information about the brand. Juliette, of course, is from this Shakespeare novel Romeo and Juliet, and the gun is a metaphor for the perfume, which is a weapon of seduction. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Or a simple accessory of bluff, essentially symbolizes the liberation of women towards men, and sometimes with a taste of revenge. Edgy, like it. Brand. So Juliette Hasegan is a niche brand, although it is available online. So accessibility to this brand is not only limited to certain concept stores anymore. So as long as you have an internet connection, you can go to their website, which I will link down below, and you can get all this stuff. So 75 mils of the luxury line is 220 euros, and the classics line 110 euros for 100 mils. That's a heck of a lot of money. So this is Not a Perfume. Not a Perfume. Can you see? Right there. And I'm gonna spray it. Ooh. This is only a mono ingredient, and this is their bestseller. It's supposed to be a woody scent. The only ingredient for this is cetylox for base notes, heart notes, top notes. Is only cetylox, and it is underwhelmingly bland. So just let's make a montage. Ooh, you see that? No? Although the name is really smart. If you sell a perfume that is called Not a Perfume, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it for the name. The packaging and the bottle for the brand as well, they have a standard. Like for the classics, they have this bottle right here. They just have different designs and colors for each of the scents. And for the classics, they have this type of bottles. And yeah, they're quite standard. They're okay, but not too wow. No, you know. Right, so that is Not a Perfume. Not something I would buy. Oh, I remember this. I liked it. Citrus, I think. if I'm not mistaken. And let's try. So, can you read that? No, that's not a perfume, that's Moscow Mule. Moscow Mule, and we will test it now. Ah! So this opening is citrus and ginger. That's the only thing that I'm getting so far. Just a side note, this review will only covers the top and heart notes because I haven't worn this out yet, so I cannot really say if the dry down, and I cannot say anything for the dry down and longevity at this point. So if you want a dedicated perfume review on any one of these perfumes, then comment down below. Otherwise, at the end of this video, I have a game. We're gonna choose which perfume we're going to actually purchase, the full size. I really like this Moscow Mule, hands down. So this is Midnight Oud, and here we go. Whoop. The one somewhere. The oud is not that intense, but it's there. And rose. It's like 50-50 for me. 50% rose, 50% oud. But this is not the kind of oud that would actually punch you in the face kind of oud. This is actually really good. Did you know that oud is called liquid gold? That's how expensive it is. That's why most of the oud fragrances or oud based fragrances have very high price tags. This kind of scent is still fresh, so you can still get away with this during summer and spring. Definitely. Vanilla vibes. So from the name itself, you already know that this will smell like vanilla, but it also have a scent of saltiness. So kinda is, with the definition alone, probably would smell like Olympia from Paco Rabanne. But let's see. Whew. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this smells good. It's really up in my alley, the things that I would like to lather myself on daily. However, this scent reminds me of the body mist from Victoria's Secret. Would I spend 110 euros to smell like the body mist from Victoria's Secret? I don't think so. So anyway, it's pleasant. I can definitely smell citrus. Just citrus. Very small hint of musk. I'm not sure about this. Miss Charming. Seriously, this brand has some genius names on it. Whoever created the names for this scents is a genius. Miss Charming. Yes. Who needs Prince Charming nowadays? Okay, let's try it. Miss Charming gives me a vibe of my strict teacher back in high school. It's like smelling like this. It makes me feel like she's standing in front of me and telling me how stupid of a person I am. I'm kidding. It smells like a classy woman. Something that I wouldn't gravitate into. Love it. Rose, yes. Mask, definitely. Fruity, not so sure about that. Do I like it? It's okay. This is Lady Vengeance. Can you? It's pretty good. Oof. Can you smell it? Let me give you a hint. It smells like a woman, a mistress, in fact, the other woman visiting the husband funeral in a red long gown. Damn, it smells so good and punchy. There's so much floral in it. Hello patchouli. This probably with just patchouli alone on its main note. This alone will have a very good lasting power, and I can smell vanilla and rose. Really sophisticated smell, and I think I might like it. Let's say I have this and Moscow Mule at the moment. Next scent, Citizen Queen. Yes, Queen. Citizen Queen. We are in London, aptly named. Will this make me feel like a royalty shunned and is living a normal citizen as a normal citizen? Oh, that is such an intriguing scent. It's really subtle, fruity scent in this. There are a lot of synthetic molecules in this perfume, and that thing that I can't pinpoint is the leather. Well, I already have two in my wish list. So I got Moscow Mule, Lady Vengeance, and possibly Citizen Queen. Let's see. Next is, so excited for this. I'm so excited to smell this again. Woo! I don't know what scent does to me. How do you pronounce this? If you have 4 M's in your name, how do you pronounce this? Mmmm or So it actually invokes, as I read through the website, it says that is actually like an expression of delight. Oh! I like it so much. Okay, I'm gonna change the list. If I can only buy one thing from this discovery kit, I'm gonna buy this for sure. It's really unique scent. Smells so synthetic, but it's good. Vanilla and neroli. Vanilla and neroli is here, definitely. can smell that. And I consume it without moderation. This is not good for my calorie count. Whew, I can't stop smelling it. Right. This is the kind of unique vanilla scent that I haven't smelled in a while. And because it has neroli, if you're really bold and a rebel like me, I would probably wear this in summer under the blazing heat. Because in the website it says it is a masculine cologne dedicated for women. That really smells like cologne, that's for sure. Gives me childhood memories, but I don't think I would be drawn into it at all. So this is neroli, this is bergamot. I am not sure if I like it. It's interesting. I don't think I like it. I can show you that it's the Gentlewoman. My bad, that's Gentlewoman. So next one is another oud. This one is another oud. Alright. Our second to the last set. That hint of a floral note is from the raspberry for sure, and musk. Straight up musk and raspberry. That's it. This one is a pass. Sunny Side Up. Bit of a nice backstory. A story time. Based on a happy feeling. So it's a kind of scent that brightens your day essentially. Remember this one from the first ever video that I shot, so no wonder I didn't remember it. If this is the kind of happiness, kind of fleeting happiness that you like in your perfume, this is underwhelming and sad. Okay, personally, I like my perfumes to be a bit understated, especially with the job that I do, but not this understated. Come on. Sunny Side Up. I'll have my scrambled eggs, please. Alright, so these are the scents that we'll review today. Out of 12, I am leaning towards that's number 1. So I might give you an in-depth review of next time. And second is Moscow Mule. Third is Lady Vengeance. So that's it. That's my first impressions. Second impression of Juliette Has a Gun. I think the brand is, it has been there for a long time, like 2006, and they have more than, I think, more than 30 perfumes in the line, both luxury and the classics line. So they have been for a while, like 2006. That's how many years? 20 minus 6, 14. This brand has been there for 14 years, and why haven't I heard of it before? Can you imagine? And yes, I would highly recommend this brand. Try it out. This is not sponsored. That's all I have for you today, guys. From my flamingo to my dead flowers and to your non-living thing decorations at home. I hope you stay safe. Keep sniffing perfumes. Cheers. Bye. Juliette Has Gone. Are you still here? Wow. While you're still here, once I got you, check out this next video over here. And probably there's another video over here. And you might also subscribe to that head over there so you can see more of me and all my perfume reviews and my flamingo in the background. Okay, I'll stop talking now. Bye.